Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Peter. Welcome to our health clinic. The clinic is very busy today. It seems like a serious epidemic is spreading in the toy world. Dr. Peter! Emergency! Emergency! We have a patient. This is Teddy. He's so tired. He doesn't want to jump rope or play soccer anymore. This looks serious. Nurse Lily, thank you. I will examine Teddy right now. Hi, Teddy. Don't worry, the doctor is here. Let's see what's going on. Checking the heart. The heartbeat is steady. No strange noises. Checking ears, nose, and throat. No fever. Everything seems normal. So why doesn't Teddy have any energy? There must be something we missed. Nurse Lily, report the patient's diet today. What did Teddy have for lunch?
What about vegetables? Were there any veggies at lunch?
No, doctor. He pushed all the green stuff away. Aha! I've got it! Teddy has a very common condition, the lack of vegetable power syndrome. This is serious. If we don't eat our veggies, our bodies get weak. Why? Let the doctor explain. The first superpower of vegetables. They are the cleanup crew. Thanks to fiber.
If we only eat sweets and junk food, our tummy gets a traffic jam like this. It's uncomfortable.
Ouchie, poor Teddy. His tummy is stuck. But when fiber shows up, it's like a magical broom.
Fiber helps sweep the intestines clean, helping everything move easily.
Yay! Yeah! Tummy feels light and happy. Superpower number 2, the invisible shield. That's the power of vitamins and minerals.
Every day, lots of mean germs want to attack us, causing colds, coughs, and runny noses.
But if we eat enough vegetables, we get this super-powered vitamin shield. Attack! Here come the germs! You can't get through. We are safe. Eating lots of veggies means a stronger immune system, getting sick less often, and having more time to play. Superpower number 3, brain power and energy. Vegetables help our brains work better. When we lack vegetables, we get tired and find it hard to focus, just like this. Let's recharge with some vegetable energy. Wow! I feel smarter already. The doctor knows sometimes veggies can seem tricky, but they are the best fuel for growing kids. Don't worry. Today we are introducing the superstars. Meet the Super Veggie Squad. These 5 veggies are colorful, powerful, and easy to eat. Remember to eat the rainbow. Nurse Lily, please welcome our first superstar. Member number 1, broccoli. The amazing mini trees. Broccoli is a champion. It's packed with vitamin C for our shield and vitamin K to build strong bones and heal boo-boos fast. Pretend you're a giant dinosaur eating trees. It makes it fun. Roar! Steamed broccoli is yummy, especially with a little bit of cheese sauce or dipped in hummus. Member number 2, spinach. the strength food. Spinach is famous for making us strong. It's full of iron, which helps carry oxygen all around our body. It also has folate for brain power and vitamin A for our eyes. A real super leaf. Spinach is a ninja veggie. You can blend it into smoothies or sauces, and it disappears. Member number 3, bell peppers, the colorful crunchers. Did you know bell peppers have even more vitamin C than oranges? They are amazing for our immune shield. They are sweet, especially the red and yellow ones, and they make a great crunchy snack. You can eat them raw with dip or cook them in stir fries and kebabs. Member number 4, sweet potato, the energy booster. Look at this beautiful orange color. This is beta-carotene, which our body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A is a superhero for our eyes. It helps us see clearly and boosts our immune system. They are also full of fiber and give us long-lasting energy to play all day. And they taste like dessert. Parents can mash them, bake them into healthy fries, or even make pancakes. Delicious! The final member, number 5, green peas, the tiny power pearls. Don't be fooled by their size. Peas are tiny but mighty. They are special because they have lots of plant-based protein to help build our muscles. They are naturally sweet and so fun to eat. Pop! 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 Peas are super easy to add to rice, pasta, soups, or just eat as a side dish. So that's our Super Veggie Squad, a powerful team of colors and flavors. Strength, eyesight, and protection.
Strong bones and lots of energy.
Strong bones and lots of energy.
I know what you're thinking, Teddy. They look healthy, but how do we make them tasty? We have some secret tricks for parents.
Get ready for Dr. Peter's top secret tips for eating veggies.
Getting kids to eat veggies can be a real challenge. But we have the solutions.
Tip number 1, the ninja cooking technique, also known as hiding the veggies.
Choose your child's favorite food, like meatballs, pasta sauce, or even muffins. Then, chop or grate the vegetables very finely. The smaller, the better.
And mix them into the food. The veggies will become invisible.
Kids will eat happily without realizing they are eating vegetables. It's a secret. Tip number 2, turn your child into a little chef.
Invite your kids into the kitchen. Simple tasks like washing vegetables or tearing lettuce are fun.
When kids help prepare the meal, they feel proud and are more likely to try their creations.
Tip number 3, fun presentation. Kids eat with their eyes first. Instead of boring big pieces, create fun shapes with veggies. A beautiful plate is much more appealing.
And don't forget the dips. Kids love dipping their food.
Tip number 4, patience and be a role model. This is the most important one.
Kids are amazing copycats. If parents eat vegetables happily, kids will want to try too. Eat together.
Don't give up if they refuse the first time. Kids might need 10-15 tries before accepting new food. Just try again tomorrow. To sum up, the Super Veggie Squad are amazing friends for a child's development. They provide energy, vitamins, and fiber. Look!
Teddy is healthy again. He's ready to go play. Today's checkup is finished. Remember to recharge with vegetable power
Every day. Goodbye, and see you next time.
I almost forgot.
Please like and subscribe to support our channel. Thanks, everyone.